If you watched my previous episode, you saw how easy it is to pair the Sengled smart bulbs to the SmartThings hub. In today's episode, I'll review the Sengled smart window and door sensor. This sensor works out of the box with SmartThings, Amazon Alexa, and Google Assistant. Let's get started. Hello, my name is Bud. Welcome to Bud's Home Automation, where I publish smart home content related to SmartThings and Alexa. When providing instructions for smart home automation, it's my desire and passion to help my viewers achieve the comfort, security, and convenience which results from a properly automated smart home. I use the SmartThings hub with compatible smart devices in my smart home setup. I also use several Amazon Echo devices as voice assistants. If you'd like to begin your smart home journey, I invite you to visit my website, Bud's Home Automation. On my site, you'll see 4 simple steps to achieving the ultimate smart home. It all starts with the SmartThings hub, which is now produced by Aeotec. The SmartThings Aeotec hub will allow you to begin your journey to a powerful, secure, and convenient smart home setup. As I begin my review of the Sengled door sensor, let me make it clear that I have not received any financial incentives from Sengled to review or promote their products. The Sengled devices that I'm using today were purchased by me. Before showing how to set up the Sengled sensor, let's briefly review the features of this device. I'll share with you the features that I like, as well as those which I desire to see improved. As stated previously, the Sengled door sensors are directly compatible with SmartThings. They connect out of the box without the need for a custom device handler. These sensors use the ZigBee protocol. Devices using the ZigBee protocol are usually very easy to install. The protocol supports a large number of nodes, and it's also power efficient, which results in longer battery life. The sensor receives its power from a single CR1632 battery, and the sensor is rated for 12 to 24 months of operation, depending on the level of activity in your home. The sensors are unobtrusive, being smaller than most other contact sensors. They measure 0.89 inches wide by 1.93 inches high. The sensors are also economical. I purchased the 2-pack option at a cost of about $15 per sensor. There are a couple of improvements that I would recommend. I found it difficult to access and remove the battery as compared to most other contact sensors. The sensor case is impossible to open without the use of a pry tool. As a matter of fact, the device pamphlet recommends the use of a dime or a flathead screwdriver to open up the sensor case. Additionally, the metal slot in which the battery is inserted holds the battery very snugly. You definitely need a small screwdriver to push the battery out of the holder. Putting the difficulty of the battery changes aside, I find this device to be a fantastic sensor for my SmartThings ecosystem. Let's open up the SmartThings app and I'll demonstrate how to pair this sensor with the hub. Okay, let's go ahead and go into the SmartThings app. First thing I'm going to do is look for that plus sign in the upper right hand corner. We'll click on that. Click on Devices. Next we're going to click on the little magnifying glass to search for Sengled. Alright, there it is at the top of the list. We'll click on that. And then next click on the Open Closed Sensors. And then click on the name Sengled. Alright, it says getting everything ready here. Let's hit start, and let's put this in my family room. We'll check that, hit done. All right, now hit next at the bottom. All right, so it's asking for the QR code. Let's go ahead and scan that in. All right, so it verified the code, and it's asking to hit, tap the button below, says next. Okay, so it's asking to pull the battery tab. Let's go ahead and do that. You have to hold on that firmly when you pull it. And we'll give it some time to find it. There's a little light that flashes up in the upper right hand corner. It's really faint in these studio lights here. So we'll make sure that it finds it. It usually takes about almost a minute if you remember when I paired the other device. There, it found it. It says success. Let's go ahead and hit done. All right. You see at the bottom it shows that the sensor is closed. Let's go ahead and open up this sensor. Registered as open now. It says open. The battery is at 100%. So let's see how responsive it is. The sensor is closed, open, closed, open. Guess I should show you this side. So very responsive and very nice sensor. If you'd like to view this or other Sengled products, or if you'd like to see SmartThings compatible devices, just check out the links that accompany this video. These and other smart devices can be accessed via my website and my Amazon store. Until next time, keep automating and God bless.